गाइस वेलकम बैक टू न्यू वीडियो। आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल करूणा पढ़े मेरे जमा चुके 7 स्टैंडर्ड के ज्योग्राफी के साथ। और आज के हमारे चैप्टर का नाम है एयर प्रेशर। तो चलिए नोट्स कंप्लीट करते हैं। अ हायर अल्टीट्यूड बिकम्स At a higher altitude, air becomes thinner. Air pressure is expressed in millibars. On Earth, air pressure is uneven. The equatorial low pressure belt spreads between 5 degree north and 5 degree south parallels. Question number 2. Answer the following question in brief. What effects does the temperature have on air pressure? Temperature and air pressure are closely related. When temperature is high, air pressure is low. As temperature rises, air gets heated, expanded, and becomes lighter. The air the lighter air is density of Earth's surface starts moving forward the sky. As a result, the air pressure as such areas decreases. तो टेम्परेचर और एयर क्या है, वो प्रेशर क्या वो क्लोजली रिलेटेड है? हाँ, वो क्लोजली रिलेटेड है। टेम्परेचर एयर प्रेशर के ऊपर क्या फ़र्क गिराता है? टेम्परेचर के ऊपर ही डिपेंड होता है कि एयर प्रेशर हाई होगा या लो होगा। नेक्स्ट, सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, व्हाई इज द सब पोलर लो प्रेशर बेल्ट फॉर्म? आंसर, ड्यू टू द अर्थ्स ड्यू टू Due to the Earth's curvature, the area between the two parallels gets reduced as we move forward to the poles. This results less friction of the air with the Earth's surface. Air in this region is thrown out because of the reduced friction and also because of the Earth's rotation motion as affect the subpolar low pressure belt formed. What are the effects of air pressure? Answer, air pressure generates winds. It also generates storms. It can also lead to the convertional types of rains. Okay, तो हमने लास्ट चैप्टर में क्या पढ़ा था? विंड्स क्या फॉर्म करती है? वेव्स फॉर्म करती है। और विंड्स कैसे फॉर्म होती है? एयर प्रेशर के थ्रू फॉर्म होती है। वो स्टॉर्म्स भी फॉर्म कर सकती है एयर प्रेशर, और वो कन्वेंशनल टाइप ऑफ रेन भी ला सकती है एयर प्रेशर के थ्रू। ओके, थर्ड क्वेश्चन, गिव ज्योग्राफिकल रीजंस व्हाई। First, air pressure decreases with increasing of altitude. The proportion of dust in air, water vapor, heavy gases, etc. is higher in the closer areas to the surface of Earth. This proportion decreased with increasing altitude as it affects the air becoming thinner. This is turn result in a fall air pressure. This is why air pressure डिक्रीज विद इंक्रीजिंग ऑफ अल्टीट्यूड। तो एयर प्रेशर डिक्रीज कैसे होता है? अल्टीट्यूड इंक्रीज होने के कारण, क्योंकि जो प्रपोजन है, प्रपोजन डिसबैलेंस हो जाता है। अल्टीट्यूड इंक्रीज होने के बाद हवा थिन हो जाती है, और इसका रिजल्ट ये होता है कि एयर प्रेशर गिर जाता है, डिक्रीज हो जाता है, और अल्टीट्यूड बढ़ जाती है। प्रेशर बेड ओसिलेट ड्यूरिंग Answer, during and instead of sun rain, various intensity of sun rays varies during the particles period of the earth in both the hemisphere. At As a result, the location of the temperature zones and the pressure belts depend on the sun heat also vary. This change is of the order of 5 to 7 degree towards north in Uttararan, and 5 degree to 7 degree forward south in Dakshinyana. In this way, pressure belts isolate. Question number 4. Write short notes on the following. In mid-latitude high pressure belt, the heated air from equatorial region becomes lighter, starts ascending after the reach of higher latitude, moves forward the polar region, that is towards the north and south pole. due to due to low temperature and at the higher latitude, the air cools down and becomes heavier. Thus, heavier air descends low in both the hemisphere in the region between 2 degree to 5 degree and 3 5 degree parallels. This leads to the formation of high pressure belts in the both hemispheres. Are called mid latitude high pressure belts. The air in the mid latitude high pressure belts is found to be dry, leading to scarce rainfall. Free. Most of the hot deserts on the earth are found in these regions. Next question is horizontal distribution of air pressure. Air pressure is not horizontally uniform all places of the earth. The air pressure is found to be high in some regions and low in some other regions of the earth's surface. Such distribution of air is known as horizontal distribution of air pressure. Answer the following questions in details. How does a high pressure belt get formed near 30 degree parallel, and why this region have not hot deserts? Formation of high pressure belts near parallel. The heated air from equatorial region becomes lighter, starts ascending after reaching higher latitude, moves forwards the polar region, etc., towards the north and the south pole. Due to the low temperatures at the higher latitude, the air cools down and becomes heavier. Thus, heavier air descends down in the both the hemisphere in this region between 25 degree and 250 degree and 25 degree parallels. This leads to the formation of higher pressure belts in both hemispheres. In this way, high pressure belts get formed near 30 degree parallel. Reason B, for the region 30 degree parallel have hot deserts. The air in the midline altitude high pressure belts between 30 to 25 degree and 35 parallel in both the hemisphere is found to be dry. The amount of water vapor is found to be very low in dry air, hence the region is extremely scarce of no waterfall. Constantly this region have hot deserts. तो आज के लिए बस नया होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगा. अगर वीडियो पसंद आएगा वीडियो को लाइक, वीडियो को शेयर, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और तब तक के लिए गुड.